Hi, my name is Michelle and I live in San Francisco. We just finished a major remodel with GBU. They redid our floors, our kitchen, our 2 bathrooms, to name just a few things they handled. We looked at several different contractors. Why we went with GBU, I liked Yossi's forthcomingness. There were some challenges with this project that involved finding dry rot, which meant reframing, which is a really expensive thing to have to do. But Yossi was very honest, his pricing was very fair, and I felt like he was being completely on the level with me, and he did brilliant work. Yossi has a designer's eye as well as an extensive amount of knowledge about building. We continued to live in the building while the work was happening. We were really lucky though that we had Yossi's team of guys to work with. They're very personable and great communicators. They check in with us and Yossi on a regular basis, and my tenant found them to be very nice and very helpful. I have a joy that kind of feels like a newlywed walking into my old home and it looks brand new. I have a kitchen everyone envies. I want all my friends to know that GBU is a fantastic company to work with if you want to do a remodel.